Okay, in this video we're going to look at solving simultaneous equations. Now there are different methods of solving simultaneous equations. In this video we're going to look at the method of substitution. So it says solve the following simultaneous equations by using the method of substitution. We got y is equal to 3 over 2x minus 5 and x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now remember, the geometrical meaning of solving simultaneous equations is that you're finding the coordinates of where two lines meet. So writing down the equations, we've got y is equal to 3 over 2x minus 5, and we tend to number the equation, so we'll number this equation number 1, and x plus 2y is equal to minus 6, and we'll number that one number 2. And what you do with this method is you substitute 1 into equation 2. Now the reason why you could do that, because here you've got y on its own, y is equal to, so what we can do, instead of y in this one, we can write this bit here, and we get an equation just in x, which we can then solve. So you've got x plus 2, now the bit I'm going to substitute in, I'm going to have 3 over 2x minus 5, 3 over 2x minus 5, and that's now going to be equal to minus 6. So what I've done, if I change the y in here to 3 over 2x minus 5, because that's what y is equal to. Now I'm going to solve this equation by multiplying out the bracket. So 2 times 3 over 2 gives me 3, x, and then 2 times minus 5 will give me minus 10, still equal to minus 6. X plus 3x makes 4x, minus 10 is equal to minus 6. The opposite of subtracting 10 is to add 10 to both sides, so here we just get 4x, and on this side we're going to get minus 6 plus 10, which gives me 4. Then we're going to divide both sides by 4, and dividing both sides by 4 we got x is equal to 1. Now, in order to find y, what we need to do is to substitute back into 1 or 2, number 1 or number 2. Let's just substitute into number 1. So we've got y is equal to 3 over 2 times x, which is now 1, minus 5. So that gives me 1 times 3 over 2 gives me 3 over 2 minus 5. 3 over 2 minus 5 gives me minus 7 over 2. Now we can check that in equation 2. So check in equation 2. So I know that x is 1, so I've got 1 plus 2 times my value of y, 2 brackets minus 7 over 2. It's easy if you leave these as fractions when you do this. Is equal to, now we've got to get that equal to, show that that's equal to minus 6. So 1 is 1, and then 2 times minus 7 over 2 gives me minus 7, and 1 minus 7 gives me minus 6. So if we've got agreement here, then the answer is correct. And then, therefore, we can now write down that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 7 over 2 is the solution of these two simultaneous equations. So this has been a video to show you how to solve simultaneous equations using the method of substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.